Hey guys, what's up? I'm Dustin Mankin, and today we're going to do a little something to the cube. We're going to put in these chrome AC vent surrounds for a little bit of that blingage. I know in the last video I talked about kind of like where I wanted to go with the cube, and you know, it's going to be kind of I think style wagon, you know, based on the magazine that we looked at and stuff like that. So I've been planning this for a while. Like, don't worry, this isn't something I just come up with. I was thinking about this when I was in Japan because I would have availability to parts, and there's some things I could find there that I couldn't find here. And to be honest with you, the cube is really popular over there, like a lot more than it is over here, and that's why there's more parts. So I got this. You can see it don't matter. I don't live at this address anymore, and I think I got them from Rack 10. Which is a little bit different than how it is over here now, how they do the global shopping and everything like that. But I did order it over there. They came in. I put them on the plane with me and brought them. I ordered them with some chrome mirror covers, which thank you, Delta, but you lost that in my bag when you lost everything else. So I still have these, and they're pretty awesome. The AC vent designs are not different between the right-hand drive and the left-hand drive. It's just different based, you know, on what side of the car everything sits. So I think that these will still work. We're gonna test them out. So let's just go ahead and move to the inside of the car and start playing around. One of the things that you'll notice if you look at this piece right here, and I don't know if the camera will show it, it looks like it's a 608B. And every one of these has a letter that corresponds with it. Where is it here? Is that, which way are we facing? Like this. So here we got 608D. So there's going to be an A, B, C, D, which makes sense because there's 4 of them. Going from right-hand drive to left-hand drive, I don't know if we're going to be like, you know, A, B, C, D, or if it's going to be A, B, C, D. But all we can do is try these things out and try to get these things stuck on. And this is part D, and if we stick it here, you can see that this thing does fit. Sorry about shaking the camera there. If you can see that this thing does fit nice. So all we can do is grab the A and see how the A fits real fast and see if it fits any better. The middle ones are a little bit longer because the middle vents are a little bit longer and a little bit more narrow looking. So let's see if this one fits better. Actually, yeah, that one does fit a lot better. Okay, let's try something. All right, so while I had both hands available, I just checked them real fast to make sure that everything fits, and I got to figure it out. C, A, B, D. Because that makes sense. Okay. Before you do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is go around this here with a little bit of alcohol. And the way that these install is you just simply take this second layer here of the 3M double-sided tape off and you stick them back on, which that's a good thing because that means if these ever fall off, all we have to do is get some 3M tape and put those bad boys right back on. Peel all this away. It looks like there's a couple different pieces where they've cut it. And about where you think it should. And push. And that's the cool thing about this 3M tape is it's really strong. So hopefully after this sets, it'll stay on really good. When you first put it, sometimes it's a little bit weak, but after it sets, it'll stay because it's the same thing that happened. I don't know if you can see here, but the mic, it fell off a couple times too when I first put it, but now it's pretty rock solid. We'll make sure it doesn't interfere with the vents or anything, and it doesn't. It's good. It's good. That's everything on, and it does look really good. And one of the things that I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to get some of my interior dressing, and I'm going to have to fix a little bit of these areas here where the alcohol took away some of the I guess it's not Armor All, but for all intents and purposes the Armor All type stuff, like your coating. And I'm gonna have to touch that stuff back up, because you know that's the alcohol doing its job, is stripping that stuff off. And overall, I still think it looks good. Could I have gotten more stuff done today? Yeah. But one of the things that I was thinking about when I was doing this project is I really miss back when you could only afford like one part a month or less if you were lucky. And I miss building the car like really slowly and getting to enjoy each step. Because like when I was doing the 180 in Japan, I would just get like a bunch of stuff. Okay, so today's mission is to do this on the interior, and I would get everything and just do it all at one time. And it is cool because it's nice to see that progress really fast, but at the same time, like you just don't get appreciation like every week or every month. Like it's done, you enjoy it being new for a little while, and it's over. And I feel like if you're going to spend money on customizing your car and you're doing it for more than the Instagram fame, it's going to be really nice, you know, to see that progression and like really enjoy this. And as soon as like I'm not enjoying these so much anymore, I've got another part ready to put on, then I'm going to enjoy it all over again. And that's going to prolong your enjoyment. Everything in life is not a race. I'm not building this for Instagram clout. It's a cube. I mean, nobody cares about this thing except for maybe some of you guys that are fellow cube owners. Maybe some people that just enjoy watching the channel and interacting with me, which, I mean, that's great. So, I mean, that's what we're here for. And, you know, that just gets back into the reason that I'm going to take my time with this. And I'm going to do a little bit every week, maybe every couple of weeks. And I'm just going to get my enjoyment of it. Anyways, that's it for the video today, guys. If you want to hit me up with a comment below, let me know some of your earliest memories of fixing up cars and what you enjoyed about that. And let me know, like, did you enjoy it more back then, or do you enjoy it more now? That's an interesting topic to talk about. Anyways, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.